How to unfollow people on Snapchat? Let's get started. If you no longer want to follow someone on Snapchat, you can remove them from your friend list. To unfollow someone, you need to find their profile first. Initially open the Snapchat on a device. Tap the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your chat list. Now look through your chat to find the person you want to unfollow. If you don't see them, click on the search icon at the top of your screen and search for them by their username. Once you have located their profile, open the chat to proceed to the next step. Here tap on the person username to open their profile page. On the profile screen, tap the three-dot menu located at the top right corner. From the menu, select Manage Friendship. In the option that appear, tap Remove Friend. Confirm the action when prompted by Snapchat. Finally, they will no longer appear in your friend list. Additionally, they won't be notified that you removed them from your friend list. There you go. You have successfully unfollowed people on Snapchat.